Tell me a little bit about your YouTube channel and some of the things that you're thinking about doing, and with your amazing producer, Jean, your sister, and that what you guys are going to be doing with this. So talk about that, please.
I am a teacher. I used to teach in Hawaii. I taught in California. I taught in Oregon before this happened. So I love to teach. I would share a lot of what I do with my friends on Facebook and whatnot. And my friends were always commenting like years and years like, Emma, you need to do a blog. You need to do a YouTube video. You need to do something so that we could share this with other people. And you know, I was busy with other life and such and always dealing with kids. And, hey, I'll do it eventually. And then when the quarantine hit, it was like, okay, now is a good time to do it. So I just decided, let's do this. You know, let's work together and create something to share with people who really have not had these experiences and maybe are interested in it now because we're seeing what
Exactly.
it's to be isolated.
It's so interesting that you would use the word isolation,
Mhm.
because I can see, even without COVID, that a lot of our dis-ease, if you take the word apart, comes from losing connection to source,
Right.
losing connection to one another. And that's what I love about your, and I will use this term intentionally, your evangelizing community, and being able to say, wait a minute, we need to connect with one another, that this is an important human aspect of who we are, and I'm going to show you.
Right. We started with baking because there was a lot of kids at home. Right. Our first video was making Dutch babies, and it was our first video because it was short, it was simple, it was easy. Any family could do it, and my sister and I had been eating Dutch babies like our entire lives. It was our favorite breakfast food that my mom used to make for us. And you know, and it used farm fresh ingredients, but even if you don't have a farm, you can still make it. And I wanted my videos to be able to be made whether you live on a farm or not. You can enjoy the farm life, but not necessarily have to be on a farm to do these things. And then the second one is the one that I really wanted to put out because I had so many people asking how to make sourdough, where to get a starter, all of this stuff. And I was like texting friends like nonstop, teaching them how to make sourdough bread. And I thought, we just need to make a video. It's time to share it with the world. So that's what I did. And it was great. I really enjoyed seeing what happened after I put that video out. And I think that was really the most exciting thing, because once I put that video out, friends from all over the different places that I've lived, where do I get a starter? How can I do this? And it was really neat to see them post the photos of their bread that they made and their loaves and their rolls and their pizzas. And it was such a joy to see all of my friends saying, oh, look what I made. Oh, and I shared it with this person. And now the starter's over here. And it was really neat to see that grow, like just almost instantly.
Isn't that wonderful? So this is impelling you. So how do you think about the next subjects that you're going to delve into and do some videos on?
I sometimes I ask friends. So I've asked friends about what they want to see, because it's important to me to give people what they really want to learn about.
I love what you're doing, and I love how you're doing it. You're doing this with intention, and this intention of bringing people together. And that, I think, is going to go through your entire YouTube series. It's going to be this sense of, hey, there's a chance for us to do something here and do something together. Thank you, Emma. Thank you for giving me this time today, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.
Bye.